Change a 1998 Volvo V70 headlight bulb.
So that. I was told this is easy, but when you don't know anything at all, it might not be so easy. I think you have to do this. Right? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You're learning with me. Okay, there we go. Oh, look at that. There's the thing. Is that how you do it? Oh, you just pull that. Alright, I need light. Maybe this has something to do with it. No. Oh, look at that. I figured it out. You pinch these and pull them out like that. And, oh my gosh, look at that. We did it. We did it. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys down. Let's see if we can find a good spot. And here's the new one. You don't touch the actual bulb. Because, yeah. Alright. I don't know. You're not supposed to, I guess. Okay, there's a thingy there. Not sure where it goes. I'm assuming it goes right up. Right up, like there. That's my guess. I don't know. We shall soon see. There we go. Looks like it goes there. And then you take these thingies here. Oh my gosh. It's like so easy. And you put that there. And
My phone's camera froze and didn't record the rest. However, all that remained was to reverse the steps. Plug the bulb in and put the cap back on.